Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, let me take the screenshot first and let's have some discussion on this part. What is this? Who can tell me? What is the part name?
Doors.
Door panel, DP. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this? What is this?
Dog.
Doghouse, sir.
Doghouse. Okay. We already have completed this feature. Okay. Now again, what is this? Here you can see the vertical lines. What is this? What is this?
Rib
Ribs. Ribs.
What is the use of rib?
to strengthening the parts, two
Aw-
parts.
Awesome. So while designing ribs, which point you should consider?
Part thickness,
Part thickness. Why?
uh, to avoid sink marks.
Awesome. Okay, good. Second, while designing doghouse, which point you will consider?
Lifter directions,
Awesome. Where should be the lifter direction? Which points you will consider to decide the lifter's direction?
No obstruction.
Okay, good. There should be no obstacle. Okay. Okay. Now again, let's zoom over here. Sorry. Okay, just let me know, is it visible or not? Can you see this? Can you see this line, this mark? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please check the image what Raja has shared in our group. Please open that image in your mobile and laptops and zoom. Just zoom in this area and check that edge. There is one mark,
Slider.
slider mark. Okay. Why there is mark? Because the lifter is sliding in this direction. Okay. And what is this mark defining? This will be the travel length of that lifter. Okay. That's why there is a mark. Okay. Now I think you are getting that point that there should be no obstacle. Yes. See, there is obstacle. Here you can see this line. Yes or no?
Yes.
But it is away from this travel length. So what should be the travel length? Consider this as an undercut. Let's say x mm. So what should be the travel length? Yes, Ganesh.
X plus Y.
Yeah,
X plus 5 to 10 mm.
this will be the x and this will be 5 to 10 mm. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the travel length. So in this area there should be nothing. Okay. Raja, do you have any doubt regarding this part?
No, sir. That
Sir, sir, how you decide the lifter or slider?
Okay, yes. Who can tell me? Who can tell Ganesh how will you decide is it a lifter or slider?
For external undercuts, we use sliders. For internal
Good.
undercuts, we use lifters.
Awesome. So Ganesh, here you can see. Where is the opening of the doghouse? Is it inside of your design or is it outside of your design? The opening of doghouse.
Inside.
Inside,
Inside.
okay. So your lifter is going to slide inside. Yes? So that's why we will
Yes.
use lifter. Okay. And suppose imagine that there is one doghouse like this and we are clearing this face outside like this. So in this case, you will use slider. Yes, agree?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Sir, please could you repeat again, sir?
Yeah, okay. See, here is this one. So here you can see, Prashant. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can see the dog house opening. Where is the opening? Is it inside or outside?
Outside.
The opening face. No, it is inside. See,
Okay.
Inside,
this
inside.
this is the wall. This is the wall of plastic. Yes or no? Your part is
Yes.
ending over here. So the opening is inside of the part or outside the part? Yes, inside or outside? Quickly, Prashant. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Who is asking the doubt? Sorry, I missed the name.
Naneshwar.
Okay, sorry, Nanishwar. Yes. So, Nanishwar, tell me, the doghouse is opening inside or outside? Where is the opening of the doghouse?
Outside, sir.
Not outside. See,
Inside.
inside. See, Nanishwar. This is the part. Yes or no? This is the wall of the part.
Yes.
So, where is the face? Where is the face of this doghouse? Inside? Suppose there is one doghouse like this. Okay. And this will be the opening face. Okay. Let me draw a just a minute. Let me draw a rough sketch. See, Nanishwar, please focus for next 5 minutes. Okay. So this is a part. Okay, and this is your sorry. This is your doghouse. I'm just drawing the cross section. Okay.
Yes.
This is your doghouse, and this is your second doghouse. Now tell me, this is your MTD. Okay.
Yes.
So this is your undercut. Yes or no? Is it going to clear in main tool direction? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Undercut.
This is
It's a
undercut.
yes.
This is also undercut. Agree everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Yanishwar, we will need this extra material for the assembly of pin. Yes?
Yes.
Now tell me, what is this, lifter or slider?
Lifter.
Lifter. Why? Because here you can see the undercut is in inside direction. Why inside? Because there is one wall in front of
Doghouse.
doggos. Now tell me, what is this? Can you treat this as a slider? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So it will move in this side directly.
Yes.
Can you move this block in this direction? You can move, but up to certain limit, yes or no? Up to certain
Yes.
limit till this one. So it will be something like this. Yes.
Yes.
So this is your lifter. Now you got the point what is inside undercut and what is outside undercut. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. I got it, sir.
Now same situation. See here. Same situation. The doghouse here is the wall. Okay. And the facing of this doghouse is inside over here. So you will need lifter.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Because your lifter is going to slide on this material, plastic material. Here you can see, is there any plastic material? Slider is just coming out from the undercut. Yes.
Yes.
Everyone clear? Any doubt? Shall I repeat?
No, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Next. Where is the screenshot? Next. So you got the lifter slider, this marks, this is ribs. Yeah. What is this? Who can tell me? What is this? The holes, the circular cylinder. What is this?
Screw bosses.
Welding cylinder.
Weldings.
Rivets.
No rivets. These are welding cylinders.
Welding cylinder.
Okay. We call it
Yes,
as
sir.
welding boss. Okay. Welding bosses. Okay. Good.
So what is
Now,
purpose of 25?
what is the purpose of welding boss? See, suppose, sorry. What is the purpose? Okay. So suppose this is your blue part. Okay. And you want to assemble this green part. So what you will do, you will add same like locator, you will add some resting line. Okay. Like this. Same as locator on which your green part will rest on blue part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Okay.
then you will add a circular boss. Boss means what? A circular cylinder. If you see the top view, it will be something like this. Okay.
What it say?
Then you will use a gun. There will be the gun. Okay. What is the purpose of gun? What it will do? Let me change the color red. The heat gun will melt this plastic blue cylinder and you will get a mushroom over here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I mean, sir. Sir. Uh, heat stack welding.
Heat stack. Yeah. Heat stack.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it, sir. Like riveting process in petrol.
Yeah. So got it? What is this feature?
Yes, sir.
So thank you, Raja, for sharing this screenshot. Yeah. Anyhow, we are going to cover this topic later because first we should focus on 3D. Okay. Next. What is this? What is this? What we call it as?
Sir. Honeycomb ribs.
Honeycomb structure ribs. Yes.
Honeycomb ribs. Yes.
Okay. So this is the base structure for this rendering. Okay. This is the base structure. Okay. How many type of ribs pattern do you know? See, the first one is simple, vertical and horizontal. Okay. This is the first option. Okay. The second option is 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know what is second option? Yeah, brick structure like this. This is the ribbing pattern. Okay. Third one can be the triangular like this. You can call this can be the honeycomb. Okay, like this. Okay, this is honeycomb. The third one will be same like this, simple, but in between, eh, eh, on this junction, you will find cylinders like sorry, cylinders like this. Why cylinders? Why circular? There should be some reason. Why circular? Rib.
Strengthening of rib,
Sorry.
strengthening of rib, sir.
Yeah. See, anyhow, if we are adding such type of structure, the purpose is to increase the strength. But why we are adding these cylinders? These are not cylinder, these are the circular rib. Yes.
Yes, sir. To avoid sink mark, sir.
Awesome. Okay. To avoid
Yes,
sink
sir.
mark. So here you can see everyone. Here you can see the junctions. Yes, the excess of material. Can you imagine what will the result? Tell me, this is the B side of door panel, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So will it be okay if these junctions are visible from the A side? Will you purchase that car? Will you purchase that
No,
No,
part?
sir.
No.
no, sir.
To avoid this sink mark on these junctions, we will add circular ribs. Okay, good. Any doubt? Any cross question? So why like this? Why not like this? Any questions? Okay, just a minute. Let me show you the Instagram of CAD-VERCITY. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm playing the video. Just a minute. Again, we will play. See this one. These are ejector pins. Okay. Now, in this image, can you see the mark of ejector pins? Tell me where is the marks of ejector pin?
Yeah, side of dollars.
This one, these
Near the
two,
doors.
these two.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Near the rim and
Good,
Yes,
doors.
sir.
good. So, are you getting what is the purpose? Means why these marks are coming on the beside of the door panel?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir. After cooling
Hmm.
of that part, the ejectors will
Eject the part
move
from the.
from, yes, sir,
ej-
from the mold.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Again, let's check another videos. Do we? Here you can see. Can you see this? See. Just a minute. Video is too fast. Can you see the pins are in angle? Yes or no? Is it vertical or these are in angles?
Angles.
Why? Did you
I think
notice?
so. It's
Did you notice that why I'm drawing this pin in angle like this?
yes,
Why not
lifter. I
vertical?
think.
Yeah, because while moving the mold, gradually it will push the lifter outside. Okay, suppose imagine there is one block. Let me use green, yellow, blue. Suppose this is a block, okay, and there is a hole in blue block. Okay, now tell me, suppose if I'm moving this block downside, where this green lifter will move, inside or outside? Inside means left side or right side. This is your right side, this is your left side. Where this green block will move?
Left side, sir.
Suppose I'm pushing this block downside, the blue block, where that green lifter will move, left side or right side?
Left side.
Left side. See, I'm drawing the same block over here. Now tell me. Now this is a close condition, okay? Okay, ignore the top one, okay? Ignore this one. Yes. Now tell me, suppose I'm moving the blue block upside. What will the behavior of lifter, this green lifter, this one? Will it move left side or right side?
No, sir, it
Suppose,
will lock there.
sorry,
Sir, it will not move.
the green part will not move, this lifter.
No, sir.
Yes, yes. Left side, sir. Left side.
Ganesh, what do you think? Raja,
Left side, sir.
why left side, Ganesh?
Blue is
Tangentially,
going upwards, so
tangentially, the shaft means the lifter direction.
Okay, Ganesh, what do you think?
there is space in left side after blue is moving upward.
Okay. Prashan, what do you think? Akash, what do you think?
So, blue block is upper side to 15 inside instead of us. Then down to the right.
Tell me about this one only. Okay, let me change the color. Tell me about the green lifter only. What will be the motion of green lifter? Sorry, black one. The black lifter. Will it move L side or right? L side or R? This is your L. This is your R. Tell me where it will move.
Sir, L side, because the cylinder is in angle, sir.
Okay.
When the blue block uh, move upward, then due to the angle,
Hmm.
the that lifter go left side.
Okay, good, Raja. Sachin, what do you think?
The left side.
Why? Sachin? Hello.
Sir.
Why in left side? Left or right? Okay. Akash, what do you
Sir,
think? Yes, Suyog?
yes, sir. Sir, the lifter anyhow will move at left side because the purpose of lifter to uh, to create the to clear the gap there for the doghouse,
Hmm.
and it will move only left side. because
Why?
sir,
Hmm.
it can't move right side, because there is a doghouse. Uh, there is doghouse body, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Your point is correct. Okay, that lifter can't move the right side. It can move right side. Okay. See, lifter is non-living thing. Okay. It doesn't know whether
Yes.
he has to move. It has to move left side or right side. It's completely depend on the mechanism. Okay.
Yes,
It's
right, sir.
As
cam
Raja,
cam mechanism.
yeah, as Raja mentioned. See the green or black pin. This one, this pin. It is in angle. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Yes.
It is in angle. So imagine, suppose if you're pulling the blue block upside, what will happen? This angular face of blue, will it push black rod left side? Yes.
No, sir. It pushes it in right side.
Yeah.
Raja, what do you think?
Sir,
Imagine
left
your
side.
blue block is going upside. What will happen?
It pushes the lifter in right
Yes,
side,
sir.
sir.
Right side. Right
Right,
side it will push.
right side or left side? Ganesh, what do you
Right
think?
side, sir.
Right side.
It oscillates, oscillate between two.
It will oscillate between two. Good, Ganesh. Okay, but now this is the close condition. Okay, the lifter is in good
Yes.
condition. Okay, it is under doghouse. Now, suppose injection is completed, solidification is done. Now, I want to open this core and cavity. I will push this mold upside. What will be the result? Now, tell me where the lifter will move. I'm opening the mold. Where lifter will move? Right side
Left
or
side,
left
sir.
side?
Left side, left side.
Onkar getting clear?
Yes, sir.
Suyog, if not clear, just tell me, sir, not clear. Please repeat.
Yes, sir. Sir, not clear, sir. Please explain how it will move at left.
Okay,
Because sir, because if we take the direction upward,
okay, just a minute. Again, see. Who is not getting? Please. Uh, Akash, are you getting? Where should be the motion of the lifter? Yes, no? Akash, Nanishwar,
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir, I got it, sir.
Ganesh?
No, sir.
No. Onkar,
Got it, sir.
Pranali, are you getting? Where should be the motion of lifter?
No, sir. No,
No.
sir.
Okay. Prashant, Raja,
Yes, I got it.
Yes, sir.
Sachin, Suyog.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Suyog, yes, no?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, see, this is your part, okay? This is your part. Now this is your doghouse. Okay, now with help of black, I will design the lifter. This is your lifter. Okay, tell me what is the position of lifter? Is it good? It is under doghouse, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now This is your mold. This will be your mold, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose, tell me what will happen if you lift this blue metal to eject the green part. What you will do? You will need to, okay, let me design the bottom area also. This will be the bottom, yes or no? Between blue and red, there will be a plastic part, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how will you eject the green part? This is your green part, okay? How will you eject? Sorry, sorry,
By
sorry, sorry.
pushing the rod down, sir, which causes the lifter move towards left side.
By pushing the green part downside.
Rod, sir, lifter rod
Hmm.
downwards,
Lifter rod
which
downward.
causes the lifter rod to move
Hmm.
left side.
Okay. Others?
Blue blocks are going upward.
Hmm.
Then lifter move to left side. Then
Hmm.
ejector then move that green block.
Okay. See, just focus on these faces. Which faces? The tangential faces. Let me change the color, green, blue. Let's use red one. Just focus on these faces, okay? This area. Now, Suyog, Ganesh, others. Imagine this blue box is going upside. Okay. Tell me what will happen. Will this blue box push this black rod left side or right side? It is in
Sir,
angle.
repeat
Okay.
the
See,
sir,
the
repeat the
question
question.
question is, imagine, see, we have uh, see, this is our injection point. Okay, we have injected the plastic material. After 5 seconds, the plastic is now it is in solid state. Okay, now we want to remove this plastic from our mold. So to remove this plastic from our mold, we will need to open blue and red core and cavity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now red one is fixed, or let's say red is going downside and blue is going upside. Yes.
Yes.
So tell me, if blue is going upside, what will happen to the slider? Will it push? Will this blue box will push black lifter on left side or right side?
Left side, sir.
Why Pranali left side? Try to explain why. Why?
Because of angle, sir.
Because of angle. Why only on left side, not in right side? Pranali? Okay, just imagine, Pranali, suppose the angle is something like this. What will happen? Suppose this is your lifter, okay? Now, Pranali, what will happen? Yes, everyone, tell me. So this is your, now this is your doghouse. What will happen? Yes,
Right side. Lifter moves to right side.
everyone getting yes or no now?
Yes, sir.
Prashant, Naneshwar, Suyog.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now imagine, okay, just forget this, okay. Now this is your again lifter. Now imagine for lifter rod there will be a cylindrical slot inside the blue metal block. Now imagine your blue block is moving upside. Where will the motion of these two slide lifters? This will move on this side. Yes, and this will move this side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So how to decide the angle? How will you decide the angle of the rod? You are not going to decide, okay? You are not going to decide. The tool maker, he will decide what should be the angle, okay? But you should know, you should have the information. Again, it depends on the undercut length, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The undercut length.
Yes, sir.
Where is the undercut length? With help of, let's take blue, again green color. This is your undercut, yes or no? Why this is your undercut? Because of this limit. Yes, sorry, it is not visible. Let's use red. Yes or no? This will be your
Yes.
total undercut.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this will be your total
Yes.
undercut till this one. So depend on this undercut, tool maker will decide what should be the angle. Okay, getting yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Good,
Yes, sir.
good, good. Okay, any other doubt? See, these are interview discussions, okay? In many interviews, they will ask question like this. Where should be the motion of the lifter? What is lifter and slider? Where you will use lifter? Where you will use slider? Okay, done, done, done. Okay, one more point. Can you see this? Some dotted dots over here. Yes or no? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just zoom this image in your mobile or laptop if it is not visible. What is this? What is this over here? What is this over here? There is some information. Okay. So we called it as calendar. Okay. This will be the calendar or the batch. What we can say the batch. Okay. So let's say if see the manufacturing will be in small single it will be in single unit or it will be in batches, the manufacturing process or the parts manufacturing outcome,
Batches.
it will be in batches. Okay, so here how to identify whether suppose there is some defect in this area. Okay, suppose there is some defect in this boss, we will we will need to check our tool, yes or no? Yes, we will need to check our tool. Yes, and suppose
Yes, sir.
already 100 units are manufactured. with this defect. Yes, 100 units are already manufactured on, let's say, last Monday. So how will you identify from which batch this part is belonging? So for every batch we that the man which will be on assembly line or which will be on manufacturing line, they will create a small hole with help of needle, okay, in this box. Can you see this box? Okay. So because of that hole, it will not be a throughout hole, okay, just a single point like this, small point. So anyone will get idea, okay, this part is from this batch, so there is no defect in this area. We are having this defect in batch number 5, so just please check batch number 5 and reject all parts. Okay, getting
Yes, sir.
everyone? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. Then, so what is this? Here you will find the material name. Okay, material name means, is it PP, is it ABS, is it PC plus ABS? Okay, again here you will find the number. See, there are number of parts which we are designing and which we are manufacturing. Okay, so for each and every part there will be one ID number. Okay, it can be in 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit, any number. Okay, there can be some initial alphabet like uh, let's say R 76845, again 7, like this, enter. Okay, so you will find this number on the part. You will find this same number in your 3D also. Okay, so while renaming your 3D file, the designing file and the drawing file, your file name will be this one. Are you getting everyone? Yes or no? Everyone, Suyog,
Yes,
Nanishwar,
sir.
Prashant, Sachin, Onkar,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this, what is this? This will be your part number. Okay, this will be the unique number. You'll find the same number on your manufactured part. This will be your file number. This will be your drawing number. Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Then what will happen? Suppose Suyog has work on this part. Okay. Again, then after 3 4 months, Sachin is going to work on this part because of some defects. So how to maintain this part number? After this, you will add revision. REVA. Okay. Now next. Suppose Danish, after 4 months, there are some defects in design. Now we want to create a new revision. So now Nanishwar will work on it. Nanishwar has modified the 3D, updated the manufacturing drawing. So the new number will be R7684457 space revision B. Getting everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You will find the
Yes.
Yes.
same, you will find this number on your part over here. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Same over here, you will find some information related to your parts. That's it. So for this purpose, on every part we will need some flat faces. Okay, just for this batch calendar, for the part details. Okay. Okay, any
Yes.
doubt? Any doubt?
Sir,
No.
how it is
Sorry,
made?
Ganesh?
how
Yes,
this data will
maintain.
given to the part engraving. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. This will be engrave or emboss. Any. It's a
Okay.
part of your design, okay? In design only you will, in 3D only you will do this. Okay. Any other doubt?
Sir, what is in doghouse upper side? White.
White.
Right side. Right side, right. This doghouse.
This one?
Left side. No, no. Left side of honeycomb structure.
This one?
Ah,
This is
yeah,
plastic
yeah.
pin. This is plastic pin. Let me show you the plastic pin just a minute. Can you see this, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can you imagine this is the head? Okay. Yes. Let me show you. Do we have another section or something? So here you can see the size of the clip with compared to your 10 rupees coin maybe. Yes. Uh, okay. No issue. Yeah. This is a different type of clip again. Okay. So what is the purpose of this? For wire holding. Okay. Let's say some wire harness. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
imagine here you can see there is one head. Yeah. We are having some heads over here. Where is that? This one. Here is the head. See, these are the clips what we use in door panels. Okay. These are the heads, and here you can see some snaps in Christmas tree shape. What is the use of this? Can you see this? This one? The head is on the bottom side. See, this is a good example. What we will do? Imagine this is the head, okay, and this is the Christmas clip. Okay. Uh, Suppose this is the opening. Okay, this is the ISO view of the hose. Okay, everyone, in doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So how we will assemble this clip in this doghouse in this direction? See, tell me, are you getting yes or no?
Yes.
We will slide this head inside this one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So once we
Yes, sir.
assemble that Christmas clip, it will be something like this, and the head will be from bottom side of the doghouse. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ganesh, got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Others, any doubt?
No, sir.
This is used as a locator, arch like locator.
Sorry, sorry. Raja,
Like the, sir, this pin is arch like locator or any purpose.
I'm not getting your question. Could you please repeat?
So, so this pin
Huh?
arch like locator or any purpose
No, no, no.
for that pin.
It will not act as locator. It is for the holding purpose, means for the fixation. Okay. Yeah. See, anyhow, here you can see it. There is a pointer. Yeah, in the front side. So it will act as locator. Okay. First, it will locate.
CAW fixation, no?
Sorry.
fixation will be BIW, metal part.
Yeah, yes, Akash. It will fix on BW. Yes. Any doubt? Okay. Any other doubts?
How will be parting line, sir?
How will be the parting line? What do you think, Ganesh? Where should be the parting line? See, did you notice these are the separate two parts?
Mass pocket will be separate.
Yeah.
Upper body will be separate.
See, these are the separate parts, okay? Are you getting? Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is a separate part, this is a separate part, this is a separate part, this is a separate part. Okay. So for each part, we will have separate parting line. If we consider this outer side, I think this will the parting line, yes or no? The outer, let me change the color. The outer edge. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubts? See, it is not, see, parting line will be the outside of the complete part, but also we will have parting line over here, yes or no? For this part. See, this is a complete window. There is some honeycomb structure, so there will be also parting line. Yes or no? Whenever if you are having any throughout holes, pocket, we will have the parting line. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? Good. Any other doubt?
What is in corner?
Just a minute. Where is the corner? Where?
Yeah,
This one?
honeycomb structure. Honeycomb structure. Yeah, yeah, this one.
This one?
Corner.
This corner?
Yeah, yeah.
So what is the question?
What is ejector pin? Huh? What is this?
No, that is not ejector pin. I
Or
think that is for screwing purpose. It is a hole, I think.
okay.
Yeah.
Screw boss.
Yeah. See, this corner is not going to visible to anyone. Yes or no? So in this area, we can add screws, but in visible area, so just let me know if you are instead of this plastic pin, can we use screws directly?
No,
No, why?
because there are not any threads inside the
Yeah,
screw.
even though if there is not red, if we are adding some screw bosses, can we use screw? Will you use screw on BW directly? Yes, Sachin, others, Suyog, Raja, Prashant,
No.
Omkar, Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
Will you use screw on door panels? Tell me
Door
if
stop.
no, sir. Why, Sachin?
It will penetrate or damage the sheet metal part.
No, no, it's okay if it's penetrating. See, if you are adding screw in our design, we will do some arrangement for the fixation of that screw, okay? But the second thing is, will it be aesthetically good if there are 8 to 10 screws on your door panel? If you are purchasing any vehicle, let's say Nexon, and there are 8 screws on your door panel. Will it be okay for you?
Do, sir.
No, sir.
No. That's why we are using plastic clips. Okay? Anchor clips or Christmas clips. Getting everyone? Only non-visible in
Yes, sir.
non-visible area you can add some screws. See, this corner is not going to visible anyone. Okay? Any doubts? Yes? So how was the discussions? How was the today's discussion?
Good, sir.
Yes? Good?
Yes, and very much informative, and I got knowledge about the stations and dog houses.
Yeah.
They like
So your voice is breaking.
clear.
Okay. Yeah, so today we have collected so many points related plastic, related door panel, related fixation, related sliders and lifter, sink mark, ejector pins, yeah, type of honeycomb structures, sorry, ribbing structures. What is the purpose of ribs? Yes, everyone? So
Yes.
today we have
Yes.
collected so
Yes.
many points
Yes.
regarding our interview. Okay, so shall we stop over here? Any doubt?
No,
Good, sir.
A near hole, what is this black part?
Okay, near hole where? This one?
Ah, yes, yes, sir.
Let me check what is the purpose. I also don't know what is this. We'll need to check. What is this? Okay.
Mm.
Okay then. Any other doubts? All good? Yes, Prashant?
yes.
Good, sir.
Okay. Shall we stop over here? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, then see you in next session on Saturday, Sunday. You have to do practice for your test, okay? Located on doghouse.
Sir, switch,
So like
sir, switch.
Raja, everyone has to do everyone has to do practice and complete the 3D within 40 or 45 minutes.
Sir, that
Okay.
switch is a screw, sir.
Sorry,
Switch,
Raja.
sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Sorry.
that black is a switch, sir. There is a switch in a surface. I'll
Switch.
share, sir. I'll
Okay.
share, sir. I'm going to share that file.
It is IC.
I means yes, there is a switch, sir.
Switch. Switch for what?
I say sharing.
Okay. Okay. Please, if you are 3D, please share. We will check. Okay.
Share, sir.
Shall we check this in next session? Yeah. Did you share this screenshot or the file?
Share, sir. Share, sir. Screen, sir.
Okay, there is switch. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, got it. Okay, good. Raja, do we have 3D for this part?
No, sir. No.
Okay, okay, no issue. So this is I think this is very old vehicle door panel. Okay, here you can see the switch. Now in new designs, we can't add such type of switch. Is it good for design? Yeah. Will you purchase in your Nexon if you are having such type of switch, TikTok switch? Will you will you like this designs?
Not, sir.
No, sir.
No. So this is very old design, okay? Okay then. Any other doubts?
Not good.
Shall we stop? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. See you in next session. Thank you. Good night. Do practice.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night, everyone. Good night
Good night,
all.
sir.